Welcome today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and here tap to the connection and sharing. Here you'll see the NFC section. Just to enable the NFC, tap once on the switcher and that's it. If you wanna just turn it off, tap again on the switcher, and so that's how it looks. And the second way is you can just go here to the notification bar and here you'll see the NFC icon. Just tap here once on the icon and as you see the icon is blue. That means that you just turn on your NFC option. So if you want to just turn it off, tap again on the switcher and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.